Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best chair mat for thick carpet 2021. Available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Now let's get started. Number 1. Gorilla Grip Chair Mat with Lip for Thick Carpet. Chair mat, if too thin or too thick, would not at all be adequate to serve the purpose it is designed for. Made of 100% polycarbonate material, this chair mat from Gorilla Grip has got specially optimized thickness for carpeted floors. You may already be aware of the engineering properties of polycarbonate material, its grip, and durability. If not, let me say that when it is about bearing heavy loads, polycarbonate check latest price on Amazon material will not even slightly break or curl. If you have got a beautiful carpet underneath the chair and do not want to cover it, the use of a transparent chair mat is an excellent option. This mat's decent transparent design will enable a seamless look through it, making the overall appearance more professional and classic at the same time. To ensure the mat stays in its place, little spikes have been added at the bottom surface to let the mat stay in its place. Furthermore. Number 2. New Arts Chair Mat for Carpet and Hardwood Floor. Present you the best chair mat for hardwood floors and high pile carpet. It has got a regular standard rectangular design, as long as 47 inches. Plexiglass is a highly durable material that has been used for manufacturing this chair mat. Its solid design, tough making, and 0.2-inch thickness can withstand a weight of approximately 1,200 pounds and protect the carpet plush from chair casters in a great way. Check latest price on Amazon. In my opinion, this can be the best chair mat for workstations, where not much movement is required during work, and the chair stays in one place for most of the time. New Arts chair mat cannot be used for L-shaped desks because it will not be able to cover the entire area, hence not enabling the user to. Number 3. Laurel Scratch Resistant Chair Mat. Have you heard of tempered glass before? The cell phone screen protector covers are made up of such glass which, though, give a glassy appearance but are much more solid and tough than normal glass. Laurel has used the same tempered glass material to manufacture this chair mat for high pile carpet, which makes it stronger and more durable than other best chair mats for carpets in the list. Check latest price on Amazon. Available in 3 sizes, ranging from 30 inches to about 60 inches, fulfilling the needs of all. So if you have a single person desk at home, go for the 30-inch one, while for office use, the other 2 options will work fine. The glass type used here is a bit sticky, so without any spikes, the mat will stick easily to carpet and wooden floors. Don't worry, the stickiness won't get glued to your carpet, and it is easy to place and remove. One of the downside I found regarding this office. Number 4. Marvelux Office Chair Mat for High Pile Carpet. You will be aware of the fact, without a good quality chair mat the carpets get severely damaged from caster wheels of the chairs, particularly the metallic ones. For this purpose, Marvelux Chair Mat has specially designed a chair mat for medium to high pile carpets. Before getting into the details, let me tell you that this is my favorite chair mat for dense. Check latest price on Amazon carpets. There are a number of reasons for this, some are mentioned as follows. This chair mat is made of 100% pure polycarbonate, which is dense enough to sustain a load of heavy person and a chair. Moreover, the smooth surface of the mat lets you freely move the chair around the desk without any trouble. Additionally, the surface of the mat won't dip, or its edges won't get curled with the passage of time, which is a clear signal of its durability and strength. But this is not it. This chair mat has also got a studded bottom surface. When placed on a thick pile carpet, it ensures a strong grip and does not let the mat be moved away from the carpet top or the hard flooring. Also, easy to clean and maintain. It doesn't require regular cleaning. To clean the mat, wet it with lukewarm. Number 5. Amazon Basic Slip Resistant Carpet Chair Mat. Lip chair mats are usually more beneficial in cases where the desks are open from the front, and the rolling chair may move in. Such a lip extension is provided to protect the surface flooring beneath the desk from getting damaged. Amazon Basics has been manufactured to serve a similar purpose. It is 47 inches long and 35 inches in width. These dimensions include the lip sizing too, so in reality, the rectangular part may be a little smaller than as mentioned. Check latest price on Amazon. The material used is polycarbonate, which is solid, tough, and hard to bear heavy loads. As far as the adaptability